Welcome to this GaiaYoga 2-minute tutorial on the stages between Uddiyana Kriya and Nauli. My name is Tom and here are a few tips. Please also check out the other videos I did about Uddiyana Kriya. In case you haven't gotten that suction yet, there's another video for you. If you have gotten it, always go step by step, reversing the steps on the way out. So you start with an exhalation, you pull up the diaphragm, getting that suction. Then you isolate the middle, then eventually you churn. Then you isolate the middle, you get the Uddiyana Kriya, you relax your abdominals, you inhale. The steps in and the steps out are the same, just reversed. Pull your t-shirt up, get a mirror so you see what you're doing, or just look at it. If you don't see what you're doing, you have no idea if you're actually doing it. Exhale. Inhale. Now, for the second stage, if you get the suction but you cannot isolate the center, use your palms, push into your muscles, your quadriceps muscles, all the way up to here, because those muscles are connected to your rectus abdominus, so you might get you might trigger the rectus abdominus to come out. So, just by manipulating your thigh muscles, you just get an idea of the rectus moving, and that might help you to eventually get control over activating those muscles. The same way, when you want to start churning, try to only lift one side. Maybe also go to different places on your thigh and start wiggling a little bit with your pelvis, just to see it churning to one side, flipping to the other side, getting an idea how it feels when that happens. Once you know how it feels, you can eventually get the motor control. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.